Me, let us discuss circle. As you know, circle is a vast topic, but today we are going to start by explaining the shape circle and finding the area and perimeter of a circle. All right, let's go. If you are here, you are preparing for common entrance examination, pay attention. For junior WAEC, pay attention. For senior WAEC, also pay attention. Even for JAMB examination, pay attention because circle covers a lot. Let's go. All right, we have circle. The shape that we call circle is this shape. We have it like this. When I see something like this, I call it what? A circle. So look at the circle. A circle has a center, which is here. We call it middle or center of a circle. All right. Remember, I want to concentrate on area and perimeter of what? A circle. All right. So a straight line that can divide circle into two equal parts, we call that straight line a diameter. Look at it, something like this. Can you see it? We call it what? A diameter. A diameter. Can you see? A straight line that can divide a circle into two equal parts and it will pass through the center. We call the line what? A diameter. All right. Then we have another one. A line that will come from the center of a circle and touches any point on this circumference of a circle. That line is regarded as what? As radius. Like from here, from the center, it will touch somewhere here. This line from center to this place, it is called what? Radius. Can you see that? We call it a radius. Is it clear? This line is called what? Radius from here to here. It will come from center and touch any point. It can touch here, it can touch here, it can touch here. Any point on the circumference of this circle. We call it what? Radius. All right, when you look at this now, you notice that from here to this place is a radius. From here to this place is also a radius. That means that for you to have a diameter, you are going to cover what? Two radii. Remember, radii is the plural form of what? Radius. Look at it here. From here to here is radius. From here to here is radius. And here is called what? A diameter. That means that diameter, we have that diameter is equals to what? 2 times radius. Can you see? 2 times what? Radius. So that is the relationship between diameter and radius. And that means that radius is equals to, we have diameter divided by what? 2. So that is the relationship. If you are given diameter, you are looking for radius, divide diameter by 2, you will get radius. If you are giving radius, you are looking for diameter, multiply radius by what? By 2, you will get diameter. All right. So when you have something like this, you have diameter and what? Radius. All right. Let's start with perimeter. Perimeter of a circle. Perimeter of a circle. When you say perimeter, what does it mean? It means the line, the length of line that we cover when we move around this circle. When we move around this circle, assuming that we have a tape, if you can make it to go around like this, round the circle, just the edge is like this, what you are going to get at the end of the day, that is what we call what? Perimeter. It is also called what? Length of circumference of a circle. So sometimes you may hear perimeter of a circle, although it's very rare for you to hear perimeter of a circle. What they ask is what? Length of circumference of a circle. And circumference of a circle is still the same thing as what? Perimeter of a circle. So we have perimeter of a circle. Can you see that? Is equals to what? Length of what? Circumference. Length of circumference of the circle. Can you see that? So whichever one they ask you, whether they ask you perimeter or they ask you for length of circumference of a circle, they are saying the same thing. And this can be calculated using the formula. We have perimeter of a circle is equals to what? We have 2 pi r, or we call it a pi d. Can you see that? Pi d. All right. So where r is equals to what? Radius. Can you see that? And the D is equals to what? Diameter. Can you see that? D is equals to what? Diameter. Either you use this. If you are giving diameter, just use this method. If you are using radius, use this formula. This one for diameter, this one for radius. Whichever one, it will give you the same thing. Why are they the same? Because 2 times r, can you see? 2 times r will give you d, diameter. Pi will remain the same thing. Alright? So pi is there, and pi most times it is giving us what? 22/7. Unless otherwise stated, take it as what? 22/7 is a constant. Alright, so we use this formula to solve for length of circumference of a circle or perimeter of what? A circle. Alright, let us solve an example so that you see how this formula can be what? Applied. Alright, we have example 1. Example 1 says, find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 14 meters. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is what? 14 meters. How do we go about this? We have solution like this. All right, I told you that circumference of a circle is equal to perimeter of a circle. Whichever one they ask you, they are still talking about what? The same thing. Either of the two, they are equivalent. All right. So we have circumference. We have circumference like this. Circumference is equals to, because they gave us radius, so we are going to use this one, which says what? 2 pi r. Can you see that? 2 pi r. I told you pi is a constant. Always note it. It should be 22/7. Most times they will not give it to you. You will be the one to know that it means 22/7. Just like in this case, they did not give us that value of pi, but we know that is what? 22/7. So we have like this. We have 2 times, for pi we have it to be 22/7, and for r we have it to be what? 14. Can you see that? We have 14 here all over this. Can you see that? All right, what can divide? 7 can divide. When 7 divides itself 1, dividing this we have 2. All right, so what do we have? We have 2 times 22 times what? 2. 2 times 22 times 2. All right, so 2 times 22 will give us 44 times 2 again, we have 88. So we have 88 meters. Can you see that? So that is how it can be solved. It is not difficult. I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it now. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this mathematical knowledge. Bye.